In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a search form using the WP Travel Engine plugin. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure your travel website is more user-friendly and efficient. To start, log into your WordPress admin panel. You need to be an admin to have the proper permissions to make these changes. Once you're logged in, head over to the Pages section. You'll find this in the sidebar of your dashboard. Click on it and then choose Add New from the drop-down menu. This is where we'll create a new page specifically for the search function. With a new page ready to be customized, the first thing you want to do is give it a clear and descriptive title. Enter something like Search Trips in the title field. A straightforward title helps both you and your users understand the purpose of the page immediately. Now, let's get into the core functionality. In the WordPress page editor, you'll be adding a shortcode that enables the search form. Place your cursor in the text area where you usually add content to a page. Here, you're going to enter the shortcode, WP Travel Engine Search. This bit of code is what tells the WP Travel Engine plugin to create a search form on this page. Once the shortcode is inserted, the next step is simple but crucial, publishing the page. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of the editor and you'll find the Publish button. Give it a click. This action saves all your changes and makes the page live so that it can be accessed on your website. After your page is published, you might want to add it to your site's main navigation menu for easy access. Though this step is optional, it is highly recommended as it provides users with a seamless experience. Navigate to the Appearance section in your WordPress dashboard and select Menus. From here, locate the newly created page in the list of available pages and add it to your desired menu. Don't forget to save your changes. Now that everything is set up, it's time to test out the search form to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Visit the page you've just created. There, you should see the search form powered by WP Travel Engine. Test it by entering a sample query and checking the results. This ensures that your users will be able to find what they're looking for without any hitches. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've now successfully added a search form to your travel website using the WP Travel Engine plugin, making it much easier for visitors to find the perfect travel plan. Thanks for following along and happy travels!